What is up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to our triple
220
in 220 Kratt's second floor. This is Guillermo.
This is Guillermo.
This is Luca. And I'm Nick, and we're here to show you around.
Welcome to our room. I'm from Spain. He's from Germany.
Italy,
He's from Canada.
Damn right.
Exactly. Just got that.
When I first found out that I was living in triple, I was kind of hesitant about it because you don't know who you're going to be rooming with. But I did get extremely lucky with the people that I roomed with, and I actually love living in this triple. There's never a dull moment, and honestly, I've come to love it. There's a few different things that you can do with the setup of the room because, well, you know, some people want to have their beds lower, and others want to have their beds higher. So normally the beds come like this in a bunk bed form, and then you can come underneath and you have, you know, your desk and all of your valuables and everything like that, place to store a bunch of stuff. Or if you're more of a minimalist, like one of our roommates, well,
Exactly. You can put it down. You can pull out your desk if you need to, and you can work here, or you can just work on your bed or with your computer. So whatever you want, you can do it.
So some pros and cons about living in, I guess, a triple is the pros. Well, there's a lot more room, honestly. The rooms are much bigger, even though you are sharing between two guys, or two other guys. I mean, it doesn't ever feel cramped. Plus, I mean, if you get along well with your roommates, you can find some good buddies for the rest of your life, honestly. And,
It's
you
more
know,
entertaining.
exactly.
Like it's never. We're always speaking. We're always doing things together. So it's.
We're
I
singing
think
in the night,
we're singing.
Yeah.
We're
in the
doing.
shower.
In the shower, we're singing in the shower together. We're just doing everything. And if you live by yourself, I think it will get lonely sometimes. So this helps not to get lonely.
Exactly, and we always help each other out with
Exactly.
anything that we need. You know, we have different vehicles, and I can take them. They pay me gas money, and you know what? We end up doing. You know, I end up helping them out. They end up helping me out if I have any questions on homework or anything. So really, there aren't many cons. I mean, unless your roommate snores, which
On cost
can happen.
That usually
That's
doesn't
not
happen.
happening or not.
I'm loving it so far.
I'm loving it so far.
Yeah.
And so, finally, you came to the best part of the room, which has the makeshift basketball hoop. And as a ritual, all of our roommates, well, we have to make a shot every time that we leave the room, just for good luck, so nothing bad ever happens when we go outside of the room. So, since you are in our room, we're gonna need you to make a shot for us. Here you go. Yeah! Alright. Well, thank you for visiting. I truly appreciate it.